ito naman mga kaibigan, isa pang shorts mga kaibigan ko. Nga, we don't care na mabusa kong data because it's a part of the game. Pag magdagdag pati na dito mga kaibigan ko nga, it could be 10 LS, I'll give it to you para maging masaya ang ating LS. It could be limited mga kaibigan ko nga, wala akong paki-importante is to rebuild, and rebuild. Destroy the kind of porn and rot. Welcome to Pokemon Go content mga kaibigan ko nga, isa Karablas. Karablas also tinatawag po people the clumping Pokemon because he's always a clamp. Ang kanyang resemblance po ni Karablas is always hiding and leaving the tree in the leaves that can also to attack with a spitting acid into the poison. Kasi may poison po si Karablas mga kaibigan ko nga. Ang kanyang resemblance po ay para siyang kuto. Karablas is also evolved into the Escavalier, into the Axicligore. So ang kanyang itsura niya is para siyang kuto, ng kuto po mismo that can create also itchings to the hair of the people. Pero ang pangkuto, mamamatay ang kuto sa pamamagitan ng shampoo, medicinal use for also to mites. Second one is about the rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetle and the horned beetle, mga kaibigan kong hininga. Rhinoceros horse beetle is about living in the wood just like in Karablas, mga kaibigan kong hininga. So, si Karablas pala is a bug type Pokemon. Mamasang sibo. So, fit and literal bug type Pokemon. Mga kaibigan ko nga, kamay-kamay abay sabog-sabog. Maraming salamat po Pokemon Go because the Pokemon Go is the research about the all types of species, especially the bug. Mga kaibigan nga, na Pokemon ay hindi lang po yan sa mga bugs, kundi sa lahat ng mga bagay. So, this content is all about all-in-one. I will retire this kind of social media, mga kaibigan ko ng 1, 2, 3 abay sabog-sabog. First of all is to content about the Philippines, Republic of the Philippines, the history of the Philippines, the Republic of the Philippines, especially the 1,000 municipalities and cities, mga kaibigan ko nga, exclude the festival and all other features, mga kaibigan ko nga, and all the trivias, and also the championship wrestling. And third one is about the Pokemon, and that is the first retirement. So second retirement is content about the Digimon, mga kaibigan, because ang ginawa sa akin ng mga inquisitors, mga kaibigan nga, sabog-sabog 1, 2, 3 is they want to take down my channel, but I don't stop because it's revealed and to be make strongest terminal stage era. That is continued since 2021. Sabog-sabog 1, 2, 3, abay boom boom pow.